let's answer this problem about measures of position. Here, the problem is we need to find quartile number 1. And incidentally, that's equivalent to the 25th percentile. Okay? So when we say quartile, it divides a set of data into 4 equal parts. Okay? Quartile number 1 is equivalent to the 25th percentile. So first thing we need to consider is that the data should be arranged or sorted from the smallest to the highest. Like in this case, it's already sorted, so we don't need to rearrange this one. We will be using the same formula as what we did for the percentile, and the method that we will be using here is again linear interpolation. K, instead of using 1, we will use 25. And then for the N, the total number of data that we have here is equal to 10. Okay, so we have 25 because quartile 1 is equivalent to the 25th percentile. 10 because we have 10 numbers here, 5, 7, 8 until 24. So when we solve this, that's equivalent to 2.75, which means we need to do some interpolation. 2.75 is between the second and the third value. So to do the interpolation is going to be 7 plus 0.75 multiplied by the difference of the third and the second value. So 8 minus 7 is 1 times 0.75. It's still 0.75. We will add that to the second value. So the answer is 7.75. And that is our quartile number 1.